Hey, my name is Michael, and today we're going to be looking at this 2005 Hummer H2. We put a 2.5-inch Readylift Leveling Torsion bar set on it with some 2-inch spacers in the rear springs, also made by Readylift. We put some 20x12 Moto Metal 962 wheels in a gloss black and milled finish, and some 37x1350 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12-ply. Besides that, we did absolutely nothing else except add in some of the crossbars on the roof and remove this ugly steel bumper that was on the front. And we went back with your factory bumper. So, tips and tricks on this 2.5-inch torsion bar lift level thing from Readylift. The main thing is make sure that you have a torsion bar key remover. It's a tool, you can buy it, you can rent it. Make sure you have one. Otherwise, you're just gonna take the bolt out of your torsion bar and you're not gonna know what to do, and you're not gonna know how to level it. So, Readylift makes a torsion bar key removing tool, and you could probably also go to your local automotive shop and rent them, O'Reilly, AutoZone, etc. Or you can buy your own if you're gonna do multiples. Besides that, that's about it. There's no real tips. The rear is just a spacer on the rear spring, and the front is the torsion bars with a shock extension. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, go to our website. Maybe we can tell you some. And if you're in the market for a vehicle but want it already lifted, already built, go to our website, central-alps.com. Hopefully you can buy one that's already built. Call up the dealer and say, hey, I'm on my way. Don't sell it, and then go buy yourself a new truck, Jeep, 4Runner, Tahoe, anything. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Again, my name is Michael, and have a great day.